This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a power driver's seat, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Stop by our location at 100 Oxmoor Lane for the best deals on Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoorflm.com.